Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck and dreaming of financial freedom? Do you want to learn how to become rich in just 30 days? Well, you're in luck. Today, I'm going to share with you a proven method for achieving financial success in a short period of time. The key to becoming rich in 30 days is to take advantage of the power of e-commerce. E-commerce, or online shopping, has revolutionized the way we do business. With the rise of online platforms like Amazon, Etsy, and Shopify, it has never been easier for individuals to start their own online businesses. By selling your own products online, you can quickly and easily generate significant income in a short period of time. The first step in becoming rich through e-commerce is to identify a profitable niche. This could be anything from fashion and beauty products to home goods and electronics. Once you've identified your niche, you'll need to find a reliable supplier for your products. This could be a wholesaler or a manufacturer, but the most important thing is to find a supplier that can provide high-quality products at a competitive price. Next, you'll need to set up your online store. This is the easy part. There are many e-commerce platforms available, such as Shopify and WooCommerce, that make it simple to create a professional-looking online store. You'll also need to choose a domain name, design your logo, and create your product listings. Once your store is set up and your products are listed, it's time to start promoting your store. This is where the real work begins. To get your store in front of as many potential customers as possible, you'll need to use a variety of marketing strategies. This could include social media advertising, email marketing, and influencer marketing. With a little bit of hard work and determination, you can achieve your goal of becoming rich in just 30 days. By taking advantage of the power of e-commerce, you can start your own online business, sell your own products, and generate significant income in a short period of time. So, what are you waiting for? Start your journey to financial freedom today.